What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Achilles Project, where strength meets resilience. Today, I got a question from Steve. Steve wants to know, what are the benefits of rucking versus walking? He's been walking more lately, but wants to know how rucking differs from walking. So, without any further delay, now, first of all, Steve, I want to commemorate you for walking more. It is such a great thing in today's day and age to just get out and walk, right? There's a lot of benefits associated with walking. And in my opinion, rucking will exponentially improve those benefits you already get from it. So, first off, one of the things that rucking helps you with is it improves your cardiovascular health, right? I mean, walking alone will get your heart rate up a little bit, will get your blood flowing, will allow you to breathe. But rucking, because of the extra weight you're adding to it, right? Now you're carrying a lot more weight, or a little bit more weight, that will force your heart rate to pump more blood, force your lungs to get in more oxygen, and therefore, in the long run, it will train your cardiovascular system to do a lot better. Additionally, it can help you with strength training, actually. Now, you're not necessarily adding 100 pounds, 200 pounds to your back, right? But even just adding 20 to 30 pounds and just walking with that in a ruck, you're already building your leg muscles, your shoulders, your core. It's almost like a full body workout to just put on a load onto your back and go on a walk. Additionally, with that, it's also a low impact exercise, right? Unlike running, where depending on how good your running form is, you could have very high impact on your knees and joints, and your ankles, your knees, your hips, your back even, right? But with rucking, you can prevent that because you're at a much slower pace. You can have a lot more control with each of your steps, which in turn is going to be a lot healthier for your joints. Once again, your ankles, your knees, your hips, your back. Along with that, another benefit rucking brings is that it can help with posture, because the rucksack's going to pull your shoulders back. It'll force you to stand up straight so that you can open up your lungs and actually allow you to breathe while walking. Because if you decide to walk like this, right, all hunched over, you're not going to be able to get as much air in, meaning you're going to run out of breath a lot faster and a lot sooner. I mean, even that was a lot more taxing than if you just open up. Big chest, keep it out, head up high, eyes forward, and just walk, right? Another great thing, in my opinion, I made a video on this before, is your resilience. Again, the Achilles Project, it's all about strength and resilience and that mental health, right? That mental well-being. And rucking can truly contribute to your mental toughness and your resilience, because sure, you can walk for a mile, 2 miles, 3 miles, right? Now add some weight to it. Add a lot of weight to it. Go for like 40 pounds, 50 pounds. Or instead of that, keep it light. But go for those 9, 10, 12 miles, right? For me, most of the times, man, these dogs, every time I come over here, they're barking. All right, well, again, you put on a ruck, you go for those 9, 10, 12 miles, right? For me, 9 miles, right around the 9 mile mark, a little over 9 miles, is when my head starts screaming at me, starts yelling, just tell me, this is heavy. Let's take the weight off. Let's stop walking. Let's just go back. Let's finish. That's just it. We're done, right? But you gotta train yourself and get that mental toughness going and be like, look, this ain't nothing. You're already 9 miles in, right? Finish it. Keep going. It's not that heavy. The more you're able to do that, the more you're able to push past that small voice in your head that says it's too much. You got to stop. You got to quit. The more you're going to build your mental toughness, and the more you're going to build your resilience. The more you're able to just keep going when the going gets tough in everyday situations, right? So the mental health, once again, it's just one of those really big impacts that I think rucking can truly benefit you, can benefit anybody. Yeah, I mean, that sums it up. pretty quick. Just a little tidbits here on why I think rucking beats walking. I mean, essentially we're still walking, right? You're just adding more weight, but it can translate to so many things in your life, and it can help out in so many ways. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe, leave a comment. How often have you rucked? Or what is the furthest you've rucked? Tell me, what is the furthest you've rucked or even just walked? What is the furthest distance you've gone? Did you maybe hike a nature trail, go up a mountain? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.